In a small town, there lived a man named Jack, known for his kindness and generosity towards everyone. Jack helped his neighbors, friends, and even strangers with whatever they needed without expecting anything in return. One day, as Jack was helping an elderly woman cross the street, a radiant figure appeared before him. It was God. God praised Jack for his selfless acts, blessed him with a magic bag that never ran out of supplies, and urged him to keep helping others. With his new gift, Jack continued spreading kindness far and wide, feeding the hungry, clothing the poor, and comforting the lonely. The townspeople marveled at Jack's endless generosity and the miraculous bag that seemed to hold everything anyone could ever need. Word of Jack's deeds spread, and soon people from far and wide sought his help, each leaving with their needs met and hearts filled with gratitude. Under the guidance of God's blessing, Jack's acts of kindness grew into a beacon of hope for those in need, bringing joy and relief to many. As years passed, Jack's hair turned silver, but his spirit remained evergreen, dedicated to serving others and spreading love wherever he went. One night, as Jack lay down to rest after another day of giving, God appeared once more, commending him for his lifelong dedication to helping others. God expressed pride in Jack's ability to turn a simple act of kindness into a legacy that would endure for generations to come. With a gentle touch, God bestowed upon Jack a final blessing, eternal happiness, and the knowledge that his kindness had made the world a better place. And so, Jack's story became folklore in the town, a tale of a generous man touched by God who spent his days spreading goodwill and blessings wherever he went. The legend of Jack lives on as a reminder that kindness is a gift that keeps on giving, lighting up lives and hearts in ways beyond imagination.